Let's look at how to configure a vendor using Scan My Invoice in Tally. To begin, click on the Upload Invoice option located on the right side of the Gateway of Tally screen. The Scan My Invoice menu will then open. From this menu, select the Add Vendor option. The vendor configuration page is now open. On the right side of the screen, you can see the vendor list. As an example, we will select the vendor named Phibro Pharma. The next step is the header info configuration. Note that the field names in Tally may differ from the header names on your invoice. Therefore, you must fill in the header names here to correspond with the Tally fields. I'll show you a sample. I'm opening an invoice from Phibro Pharma. For the serial number field, the invoice uses SL.NO. We will type that here exactly as it appears. For item name, the invoice uses description of goods. We will type that here. The HSN field is also labeled HSN on the invoice. For batch number, the invoice only uses batch, so we type batch. Continue filling the remaining fields this way. When you reach the GST rate portion, if your invoice does not provide the GST rate and instead only shows the CGST rate and SGST rate, you can type NA in that field, or you can leave it blank. Regarding the CGST rate, if the invoice shows it as a percentage, we prefer that you use the percentage sign instead of the rate value. Fill in the rest of the fields similarly. Here, item amount refers to the taxable value. On the invoice, that is the taxable amount. We will type that in here. If you need to add more fields, you can type the field name and match it to the corresponding header on your invoice. A critical point when adding custom fields, you must ensure that the field you are adding exists in Tally. Only then will the data extraction be successful and the data will be transferred to Tally. After filling in all the fields, press Enter. Set Accept to Yes and save the configuration. This is how we configure the vendor.